kanjani? Tell me why we lost to iMexico. Angi-understand lento uthi yenzeka kanjani. Iqali World Cup and already imali engake ngibheje ngayo. Asiqale. We had 5 defenders. 5, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defenders, and Usole got a red card for assisting. For assisting 5 defenders. Angiyikhulumi ke ya William. William asikhulumi ayikhulunywa ya William. Ayikhulunywa. Ukapteni. Ubeke angimbonanga ukapteni. Igame yonke we managed ama-shots awu-3 and iMexico got 16. Possession yebhola we are sitting at 39. Amaphasi ethu we managed amaphasi awu-341 and akorwa ngisho elilodwa. No, this can't be happening. How can we lose? Isuke the beginning. Buka la, wakora. Don't forget, we have 5 defenders. 5 defenders, wakora. Look at this. Buka la. No. I want to solve. William. Yazi ayikhulumi. No, asikhulumi indaba William. Asikhulumi. Asingayikhulumi, singayi-entertain. 5 defenders. 5 defenders. Inkinga as South Africans, we are not angry enough. No, abangaholi. Baholelani. Sisazodlala nama-team a-serious laphaya. Kusazofika abantu abadlala ngempela ibhola. Abantu abadlala ibhola ngendlela ukuthi banama-Ballon d'Or. Yes. Abantu abanama-award nama-medal. Abanama-world record. Yini? Abangaholi. No, abangaholi.